Hello everyone, Jim from Ohio here, and today we have the folks from USA Insulation out at our house. We've had a problem with a lot of cold air now that winter's upon us here in Ohio. We've had a lot of air penetrating into the house and it's just drafty all over the place. So we had these guys come out and give us an estimate, and what they're doing is they remove some of the vinyl siding along the house, and in between each of the 2x4 2x6 2x4 studs we've got in the house, they've drilled opening so that they can go behind and stick a hose, and they run that hose all the way up to the roof line at the top and all the way down to the joist at the bottom to fill in any air cavities. Now we do have fiberglass bat insulation in the walls now, and this foam process will actually compress that and get rid of any air gaps. It should also take care of any pest problems if we've had like stink bugs or mice or anything like that. Because there will be no more air cavities in the wall, it should take care of that as well. And so they went around the entire perimeter of the house. I did not have them do the block area. I didn't think that would make that much of a difference, but we're hoping this will do well, and we'll see how it works afterwards and report back to everybody. So here we are in the garage, and pardon all the noise, but they've done the same thing in the garage. Since this is an exterior wall, you see they've got, I guess that's about a 2-inch hole, and this is where they'll stick the hose in to fill that cavity. And then what they did as they drilled the holes is they took this little styrofoam plug and just set it in there so that when the guy comes by with the hose to fill this up, he'll just turn this sideways and plug that hole back up. And here we are back in the garage after they're all done, and you can see they did go back and put a rigid plug that was tapered. They actually hammered that in with a rubber mallet, and they've done that at all of the penetrations within the garage area. So shouldn't have to worry about that foam plug coming out with this wood plug in there. And so we should be able to smooth that out, paint it to match the wall. It's not going to stand out as much. And then later on, like I said, we'll come behind, and whenever we finish the walls with metal, you'll never even know that that's there. So here we are. You can see they finished the job. They replaced the vinyl siding that was removed to install the insulation, and it's about a week since we had the work done. And inside of the house, the comfort level is hugely different. We used to have a lot of just drafty spots around windows and in our living room and dining room area, and those drafts have completely gone away. The insulation appears to be very worthwhile. I think it'll be a great improvement for as long as we live in this house. So thanks for watching. This is Jim with Jim Jenny, Ohio. And take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.